Hey guys, Nacy here, back with another unboxing video. I am so excited to show these things to you guys because, hey, whew, it has been an awesome month of Dollar Diva bargain hunting, and it's just going to be a stream of just showing you guys like the goodies, the goods, okay? So, guys, let's just jump right on into this. No big intro, no whole bunch of things to tell you about. Let's go right into it. First and foremost, I have some happy mail, guys. Happy mail from a lovely lady, Miss Donna. Donna, thank you so much for sending this package to me. So let's see what Donna sent me, guys. Let's open it on up. Okay. All right, let's get into this. Get on into it, guys. I think we need some opening music. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Ooh, I love it. Look at this. Beautiful. Yes, guys. We have the Color Me Beautiful Women of the World. 30 gorgeous illustrations. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. This is so nice. Thank you, Donna. Okay. So it has a little introduction page, has a nameplate page. And look at these images. They are just so cute. Oh, my goodness. 10 illustrations with additional detail. Wow. Oh, this book is so nice. I absolutely love it. 10 challenging illustrations. Sharpen your pencils and bring out the fine markers and pastels because these are expert level. Oh, wow, this is so nice. And then it tells you where each one is from. Oh, yes, guys. I love this. Absolutely love it. Thank you, Donna. All right, we have another book in here. Oh, look at this. Color Art Landscape Wonders. I love me some landscapes. Wow. The first page has a color wheel, understanding color theory, and the pages are very nice and thick. You can definitely use watercolor with this. Is this, wow. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. I love it. Oh, wow. Okay. Thank you so much, Donna. I absolutely love it. Love it, girl. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. All right, now let's move on to my Amazon.com purchases. We're about to get into the unboxing of some things that I ordered. So let's start with the first package here. How in the world? Oh, there's the opening. Okay, let's just get into this package. Come on, package. Open up, package. Okay, here we go. All right. We have some Twistables. Colored pencils by Crayola, the 30 count. And These package is a little torn, but that's okay. And it's been taped back together. So I bought these. They were like new or barely used on Amazon. So there you have it. The Crayola Twistables. I will be doing a swatching of them. And they don't have like the names, like the color names or anything on them. So yeah, that's sorry guys, I'm messing with things. Okay, there we go. But on the back, they do have the names. That's the only thing I don't like about these pencils is they don't have color names on the actual pencils. So it's kind of hard to figure out what you're actually using. So, throwing pencils around again. And it seems like the paint is coming off onto my finger. The paint on the pencil barrel. Okay, well, yes. We'll deal with that later, whatever. Okay, so we have the Crayola Twistables. That's what I got, item number 1. All right, guys. Oh, now let's get this huge box here open. Oh my goodness. I need to stand up for this one. So I partially opened it already. But guys, ooh-wee, there are some goodies in here. Oh, I can't wait to show you guys. Oh, it's just jammed packed in here. Just jammed packed, I tell you. Oh my goodness, here we go. Okay. Item number 1 are these Elves Dolphin colored pencils. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna put this box down on the floor and just pull the things out with you guys because this is too huge. Okay, it's kind of heavy also. Okay, here we go. I can sit back down. Oh. All right, so we have the Elves Dolphin Artist Quality Colored Pencils. Let's open these puppies up. Ooh. All right, they have no name on them. And they are missing pencils. Oh my goodness, they are missing 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils. No, that's not going to fly at all. Okay, but we will be swatching these with you guys. We will be swatching them together. So that's item number 1. Item number 2, we finally got us some Crazy Art colored pencils. 72 of them. And let's open them up. And they got these pencils taped off pretty good. Just have them taped just absolutely crazy. I guess because they're Crazy Art, they wanted to make sure they were crazily taped. It says thick, strong leads, and okay, all right. I will finally get a chance to play with some Crazy Art pencils. And they have the names on them. Yay. I will be swatching these with you guys very soon also. Okay. All right, more pencils, more pencils. We have, goodness. I didn't hear too many good reviews on these, but they were cheap enough for me to just try. We have the 24 Norris Club Staedtler colored pencils. Okay, and there are no color names on them. It just says Norris Club Staedtler, made in Germany. So we have those, and we will be trying these out together also. Okay, next, guys, what is this we have? I want to get all of the pencil items out for you. Come on, open. I just don't like to just rip my packages open. Because I like to reuse them to send, and now I'm getting sticker stuff all over me, to send Happy Mail to coloring friends. Oh my goodness, boy, this is a workout. Trying to open this. My goodness. All right, we have our Tombow colored pencils. We have the primary colors, the Irajatans, the primary colors. Yes, very happy with that. Okay. Next, we have the 15 colors of the Craft Ink stamp ink pads. I am about to start getting into card making, so I was very, very excited to get these ink pads. I have all the different colors, so I will be showing you guys. Now, guys, comment below if you are into stamping and card making and journaling and what's the other thing called? Planning. I'm not really going to be into journaling and planning, but I'm going to start getting into card making. So I've started purchasing some stuff for card making, cardstock, all that good stuff. So guys, if you're interested in that on my channel, give me a comment below and we will work on that. All right, guys, the next things I got are for channel improvement. All right. I got a organizer desk lamp. So we will see how this will work with, you know, better lighting for my videos. It actually has a power outlet so I can charge my camera, my phone, or whatever I need to. It has some little little slots in the base of the lamp so that I can put, you know, pencils or whatever I'd like to put there. I think it's just a very, very, very cute little lamp that hopefully will make the light quality in my videos a lot better. So we got that. And last but not least, we have a tripod. This is my first tripod, so it's going to be interesting to see how it's going to work for me. But I'm going to open it up and we're going to set it up and see how it works for us. So that's it, guys. That's my Amazon unboxing haul. And I thank you so much for joining me, and stay tuned for a lot more stuff being hauled and unboxed, guys, because I promise you this month of February was just a bargain smorgasbord of coloring and crafting supplies and art supplies. So thanks so much, guys, for joining me, and please comment below if you'd like to just say hi, if you just like to give a suggestion or a comment. But please, please, please subscribe, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you like for this channel to continue going. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and just keep coming back for more fun in Dollar Divas world, okay? All right, guys. So thanks so much for joining, and you have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. And as always, say it with me, guys. Happy coloring. Bye.